I always said day one my interview was किसके जैसा बनना है. I said एक्टर तो बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे हैं लेकिन अगर बनना चाहूंगा तो धर्मजी जैसे क्योंकि he's the most loved man in the world.
Yes.
ये नेपोटिज्म जो बोलते हैं वो एक फिल्म के लिए चलता है, उसके बाद कुछ नहीं चलता. That's the only thing I tell Ahan and Atia. Fight because there's unbelievable talent out there. My failures have been it's supporting new talent.
Hello, good evening, sir. Namaskar.
Namaskar.
How are you, sir? How are you doing?
So far, so good, and locked in, safe, home.
I'm really happy.
Yeah, all of you are doing the same, and lots of love. And thank you for having me on. Yeah, Instant Bollywood.
Thank you for doing this for Instant Bollywood, sir. मैं तो ये कहना चाहूँगा कि आपने कल अपने Instagram पर एक छोटी सी story डाली थी जिसमें you said that you're going to be joining us today on Instant Bollywood, and my dad saw it. मेरे दूर के रिश्तेदार, everybody now knows that I'm speaking to you. So सब इस time पे Instant Bollywood पे आपको देख रहे हैं, and everybody has sent their greetings to you. मैं शुरुआत करना चाहूँगा पहले तो आपको thank you कह के कि you spared your time today to speak to us. And my first question to you would be, sir, कि इतने साल से आप associated हैं to the entertainment business. You've been so loved. अभी तक I feel like, recently also you posted on your Twitter कि हेरा फेरी को अभी तक लोग they have like loved your character. They have loved you in the films. And at the same time, sir, आपने अपने, you've been an entrepreneur when it comes to fitness. How do you juggle these roles, and which role do you like most doing?
I think always acting, because acting has given me, that scope to be able to reach out to people, and that's the beauty of people who are popular. There's so much they can do. There's so much good that they can do, and if you have a positive approach towards life, I mean, it's like the be all and end all of everything. That you can help, and that's the way it is. Yeah, I said, I guess it's because also of a fantastic team. When you have a great team, is when you know for a fact that you can deliver anything. And I have a phenomenal team. And you're as good as your team is, like they say.
Absolutely. And I feel like, sir, जैसे आपने अभी भी बोला, I feel like you give credit to your team. You give credit to the fact that, it's not just your contribution, but it's also a team effort that really plays a part in you, being successful or being recognized and being loved so much. But आप मुझे ये बताइए, sir, that why, like, of course I understand everybody in this world should be concerned about their health. Fitness is something that everybody should make a part of their lives. But why do you think, where did fitness come so passionately to you? And how did you pursue it like that? मतलब मुझे लगता है कि you talk about it and you still are, I mean, why do I have to say you still are, but you've always been in great shape. So why fitness is such a passion project for you?
Yeah, fitness is life for me. Fitness is something that gives me the kind of confidence probably nothing else gives. One shot at the gym in the morning, your adrenaline is rushed, is all pumping, and you're willing to do anything and everything. And I think today the world will understand that wellness matters a hell of a lot. I've always said preventive wellness. I've never said bodybuilding. There was a time, of course, when I was younger. For me, it was all about body, but then it became all about health. It was more about mental fitness as well as physical fitness, to impart that knowledge. And I always believe, they say a healthy body breeds a healthy mind, and that's exactly.
They're interconnected. Yes.
Yeah. And for me today, a healthy body breeds a positive mind. It's a positive mindset. People, why? If you see, of course, the coronavirus has hit us, but if you ask doctors, you'd say, yeah, nobody's calling me with a common cold or a cough or a bad stomach or food poisoning and all that, because we started eating at home. That's what we're supposed to do. माँ के हाथ का खाना सिंपल चीज है, दाल चावल बना के
पौष्टिक खाना. Yes,
absolutely. Or dal chawal roti. That's all I've been eating, and at the end of the corona, मैं दिखाऊंगा लोगों कि ये खाने से बॉडी में कितना फर्क है. बहुत कोशिश मैं भी करता हूँ हमेशा, क्योंकि मेटाबॉलिज्म स्लो हो चुका है, एज हो रही है तो स्लो हो चुका है, तो कोशिश जो मैं करता हूँ उसके रिजल्ट्स नहीं आते. लेकिन आज मैंने रियलाइज किया, यार मैं घर का खाना खा रहा हूँ, सिंपल खाना खा रहा हूँ, मेरा स्टाफ, मैं सब कुछ एक ही खाना खा रहे, एक ही टाइप का खाना खा रहे, रेफ्रिजरेशन में नहीं जाता, खाना खत्म हो गया, ठीक है, कल हम नया
फ्रेश खाना हर रोज बनता है.
क्या अवेलेबल है, क्या अवेलेबल,
Absolutely.
ये कोशिश नहीं है कि चाइनीज इटालियन ये वो खाने की कोशिश नहीं कर रहे, सिंपल खाना खा रहे एंड ट्रस्ट मी, आई थिंक आई एम इन द peak. I'm at my peak when it comes to being lean and a body. I've been training regular like I used to always. लेकिन the difference, जो फर्क पड़ा है, is unbelievable. और वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ इसलिए क्योंकि ये घर का खाना है, गरम खाना है, which means immunity बढ़ाने के लिए अब rocket science नहीं है कोई.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
घर का खाना खाइए एंड 90% ऑफ द डॉक्टर्स इफ यू आस्क देम वो बोलेंगे कि हाँ कोरोना का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से हम घबराए हुए हैं, लेकिन बाकी तो लोग बहुत ज्यादा हेल्दी हो गए यार, क्योंकि हाइजीन हम मेंटेन करते हैं. मैं मानता हूँ कि चलो यार बिकॉज ऑफ आवर पॉपुलेशन बाहर जब हम जाते हैं तो गंदगी दिखाई देती है, लोग सिविक सेंस नहीं होगा, लेकिन घर में जितना भारत में सिविक सेंस है, 10x10 के घर को भी वो माँ, वो बीवी, वो बहन कटका मारते रहती है दिन रात. गोरे वो नहीं करते भैया, गोरे वो नहीं करते.
ये तो बात है,
एक बार
ये तो बात है.
उसको स्प्रिंग क्लीनिंग बोलते हैं. हमारी स्प्रिंग क्लीनिंग सुबह और शाम दोनों होती है, यू नो. एंड बाकायदा डेटॉल लगाया क्या, ये लगाया क्या, वो लगाया क्या, वो कोना क्यों गंदा है, you know, so which we are very very hygienic when it comes to our own home. So I think this is the magic of हर चीज आपको कुछ सिखाती है और आप हर चीज एक स्कार छोड़ के जाती है. मेरे लिए ये जंग है और इसका जो स्कार है मैं चाहूंगा कि मैं अपने बदन पे कैरी करूं तो मुझे ये वक्त याद आए. You know, कैसा वक्त था यार. बिजनेस डिडंट मैटर, नथिंग मैटर्ड, सर्वाइवल मैटर्ड. ये क्या कर रहे हैं, इनके पास खाना है क्या, मम्मी सेफ है क्या, घर से बाहर मत निकलो, यू नो, रूम में बैठे रहो. सिंपल थिंग्स.
I think sir, आपने जो the fact that you explained it so well, and I think जो लोग आपको for different reasons, I think there are so many admirers जो आपको as an actor admire करते हैं and they look up to you. There are so many people who look at you in terms of fitness, that how he's taking care of his health. And आपने ना I think आज इस live में बहुत बड़ा myth break कर दिया कि because हमें for people like us, जब हम आपको टीवी पर देखते हैं, आपको स्क्रीन पर देखते हैं, तो हमें लगता है कि oh, because they have dietitians and because they are eating certain diets, that is the reason they are fit. But आपने बोल दिया कि भाई ठीक है, घर का पौष्टिक खाना खाओ and कसरत करो and keep your body and mental health in check and you will be all right and keep be hygienic and eat घर का सादा खाना.
Absolutely.
I think that is amazing.
That is true. क्योंकि क्या है, I should be hitting 60 next year. 60 is a magical figure. And 40 साल पहले जब मैं 15 और 14 साल का था, तब जिम्स भी नहीं थे. आप मुझे कार्बोहाइड्रेट क्या है, प्रोटीन क्या है, गुड फैट क्या है, बैड फैट क्या है, कुछ नहीं होता. माँ खाना खाने देती थी, बोलता अच्छा खाओ. मैं अच्छा खाता था और डबल मेहनत करता था, बर्न कर लेता था क्योंकि तब मेटाबॉलिज्म अच्छी थी, लेकिन तब इतना खाता था, इसलिए अभी भी मेटाबॉलिज्म वैसा ही है. तो अच्छा खाना खाना बहुत जरूरी है, भरपेट खाना बहुत जरूरी है, लेकिन उतनी मेहनत करनी बहुत जरूरी है. रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है. हर एक ने अपने आप को बेचने के लिए ये मिथ बना के रखा हुआ है कि ये करो और वो करो, जबकि
इट्स सिंपल, इट्स नॉट कॉम्प्लेक्स एट ऑल.
मैंने खुद के लिए 28 स्टेट्स और 9 यूनियन टेरिटरीज, आई हैव ब्रोकन अप 9 यूनियन टेरिटरीज एंड 28 स्टेट्स विद देयर मैजिक फूड्स एंड सेड अपना स्टेट अपना खाना. पंजाबी
अपना स्टेपल खाना खाओ एंड यू विल बी हेल्दी.
एब्सोल्युटली
अमेजिंग.
पंजाबी है, उसको चाहिए मकई दी रोटी, सरसों का साग.
आई एम अ पंजाबी सर, माय मॉम मेक्स मी ईट ऑल द देसी ही खाना. बिल्कुल सही.
Absolutely. Why should you go to look elsewhere? If it is not available for you, आप बाजू के states को देखिए. So I've integrated cuisines of India, and of course I'm going to come up with my book. I'm going to come up planning my own app.
That is amazing.
Just to tell people, wellness is very simple. Preventive wellness is simple. पहली चीज ये बताओ बॉडी बनाने की पहले कि मैं बीमारी नहीं हूँ.
As I was saying, आपने बताया कि you're going to come up with a book and you're going to deconstruct, all of these things. But I want to understand, sir, how do you multitask like that? Like you keep acting, it's in a platter. Then there is your business, and then now a book. Why do you feel the need to write a book? And I feel like I'm so excited now because now that you've told us, and also when can we expect the book?
A book, because they are troubled times, we are tough times, we're going through tough times, and the beauty is, people also complaining, यार celebrities कितना अपना वीडियो डालते हैं, ये करते वो करते, लेकिन एक बात याद रखिए, celebrities आपको अपने घर से simple training की बातें कर रहे हैं. ना इक्विपमेंट की बातें कर रहे हैं, ना खाने गलत खाने की बात कर रहे हैं, वो भी यही बोल रहे हैं डायरेक्टली एंड डायरेक्टली कि सिंपल चीजें करो। तो ये पब्लिक तक पहुंचाना बहुत बहुत जरूरी है। वेलनेस इज नॉट एक्सपेंसिव एट ऑल, इट इज
It
द
shouldn't be
माइंड।
also, I feel.
आपको
Yes.
आपको
Yeah.
डिसाइड करना है कि नहीं मुझे खेलना है। आज विराट कोहली अगर वैसे खेलता है और XYZ अगर इतनी अच्छी खेलता है तो इट इज ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ प्रैक्टिस। वो
Yes.
कुछ
Yes.
इंजेक्शन लेके नहीं खेल रहा है।
Exactly.
It's
Exactly.
practice.
Exactly.
So when
It's
you start
practice.
practicing, whatever it is, if it's fitness, you start practicing. You're a runner, run. If you're an athlete, do what you're supposed to do
Absolutely.
and do it every single day. And you'll
Consistency
see
is
the
important.
results.
Yes. Yes.
Consistency, even for acting. The
Yeah,
more you
absolutely.
read, the more you learn, the more confident you are. That's the way it is. And for
Absolutely.
everybody who wants to go to a gym, let not a good body intimidate you.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Let it inspire you. Gym
Yeah.
जाते हो तो
So speaking of acting, like you said, consistency is the key. If you're an actor, you need to act regularly. You need to practice well. If you're a cricketer, you need to practice that. If you're an athlete, you need to practice that, which is a very important point for everyone watching. And that's what I said जब आप live से
absolutely.
चले गए थे कि it's important to have a healthy lifestyle and consistency in your work is important. But on the note of acting, tell me now, both of your children are into this business. Han's debut के बारे में भी तो हम बात करेंगे but
Right.
how is the dynamic घर पे, क्योंकि now you are somebody the nation knows, the world knows that you are this person who is admired. Now अब आपके बच्चे are coming into the, so are there conversations के बेटे नहीं ये scene तुम्हें इस तरह करना चाहिए? Are there any tips and tricks of the trade that you give your children?
I don't think so, because what happens is they're absolutely prepared. They knew what they were getting into.
Absolutely.
We
Yes,
got in
yes.
by chance. They're professionals. Today's generation, if you see, they're unbelievable. I've done 130 films, but I think Ahan might end up doing 15 or 20 films in his life, or a little bit more, because that's how focused they are. So
Yes.
we definitely don't discuss that. But success is something I'm sure my children will be able to handle very beautifully, because
Absolutely.
there's a lineage. They've been living with their grandparents, they live with their parents, they watch
Yes.
their parents behave. But failure is something I keep talking to them about. That is going to come to
Wow.
you today, tomorrow. It is going to hit you. That's when you take it gracefully, stand up, take that punch, learn from that punch, and then go out and deliver more. There is some reason. Like when I started, I thought every actor believes he's the next Amitabh Bachchan. I thought I had a great body, and that would work. It worked for me, of course it did. But then when the brickbats came, and then when a particular critique who was writing then said that he should go back to his restaurant, it hurt me. They
It
said
does
he's
hurt.
wooden.
It does hurt.
Yeah, it
Yes.
hurt a hell of a lot. I mean, I didn't show it. I cried in my own room. But then when I thought about it, I said, true, yeah. I haven't learned acting. I took a chance, and it was a wild
Wow.
card. Wild card worked. I need to work on it. How do I work on it? If I don't have films, I can't work on it. I said, let me do death-defying stunts. That's when people will say, "Sala pagal hai yaar, aise action."
कैसे कर रहा है? कैसे कर रहा है?
Yeah, and that's where I developed an audience, and that's why for me the mass has always been important. That first day, those सीटी बजना, पैसे फेंकना,
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
हाथ का दिखना, पाँव का दिखना, बहुत जरूरी था. So I've been there, seen it. I've seen failure Friday to Friday because of the wrong choices of films that I made. I did a lot of work emotionally. I don't regret it, because I always said, day one, my interview was, किसके जैसा बनना है? I said, actor तो बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे हैं, लेकिन अगर बनना चाहूँगा तो धर्म जी जैसे, क्योंकि he's the most loved man in the world.
Yes, for sure, for sure.
Goodwill के साथ जाना है,
Yes.
people, when you leave, when you're being carried on that shoulder, people should say, he touched us, and that's the only thing that matters to me.
Yes.
Because, and that's what I keep telling my children, be prepared, because there are phenomenal actors. ये nepotism जो बोलते हैं वो एक फिल्म के लिए चलता है, उसके बाद कुछ नहीं चलता. मैं भी एक साउथ इंडियन घर से एक उडुपी रेस्टोरेंट चलाने वाला लड़का हूँ जो who just jumped into cinema, but then I had that one thing special about me is I had the guts and I was a great fighter. I had a good body. Then developed the art. I still consider myself as an above average actor, but somebody who's done everything that I wanted to do, every kind of film, took the risk, worked with 70 new directors, gave them an opportunity. So no regrets in life. And that's the only thing I tell Ahan and Athia, fight, because there's unbelievable talent out there.
I think I'm just gonna, once this also live ends, I'm gonna rewatch this part that you have said, because it's beautiful for everyone. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि, and I also have this habit of, again, restating what you said, but I'll still like to say कि जिस तरीके से आपने बताया कि, talking to your children about failure, that is so important, क्योंकि हम हमेशा as parents, and I think for parents also it's a big lesson कि हम बच्चों को ये बोलते हैं, you should be successful, तुम्हें क्लास में नंबर 1 आना है, तुम्हें यूनिवर्सिटी टॉप करना है, या तुम्हें लाइफ में ये अचीव करना है, but we do not tell them how to deal with failure. And I'm so happy that you are doing it for your kids, and it's so important to do so.
No, and also, because one thing parents should understand, बोलते तो बहुत है, बच्चे सुन के कभी नहीं कुछ करते, बच्चे देख कर करते हैं. They're watching from the corner of the eye कि पापा मामा को कैसे ट्रीट करते हैं, मामा पापा को कैसे ट्रीट करती है, मामा और पापा स्टाफ को कैसे ट्रीट करते हैं, पापा मेहनत कितनी करते हैं, कितने बजे उठते हैं, कितने बजे सोते हैं, क्या उनकी लाइफ, वो देखकर सीखते हैं. वो हमारे बोलने से कि बेटा पढ़ 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 तो डॉक्टर बन जाएगा, इंजीनियर बन जाएगा, और वैसे भी वो सब चला गया. It's professionals, whatever you want to do in your life, what you are happy doing and what you're passionate doing. I always tell my children, love what you're doing.
Absolutely.
The day you love what you're doing, that's the be all and end all. When you come back home, be satisfied, be happy, come with a smiling face, always be positive, always laugh, be that joker in life. For me, I've always been that guy who in his group always was mimicking people,
the funny one. Yes.
The funny one who people miss when they are not there. अरे यार तू होता तो मस्ती नहीं होती, बूढ़ा जरूर हो जाऊंगा यार, लेकिन बंदर कभी गुलाटी मारना छोड़ता ही नहीं है. And that's what we should tell our kids.
Amazing.
That's what I mean. You today, you love what you're doing. I can see that in your face. You're meeting somebody new every day. You're meeting achievers.
Absolutely.
You're meeting people in various fields who've done so good. Every actor who's successful, remember, there's something beautiful about him that the audience has liked. So every time somebody told me, अरे यार आप सबके साथ अच्छे ही रहते हो, I said, मैं सबके साथ अच्छा नहीं हूँ, वो नहीं है. मैं अगर गोविंदा मुझे अच्छा लगता है तो गोविंदा में कुछ बात है यार, सनी पाजी में कुछ बात है, संजू में कुछ बात है, अजय में कुछ बात है. क्या है वो बात, मैं उनसे सीख लूं यार. नहीं ये आपके बारे में उसने ये कहा, ठीक है ना, बोलने देना यार. लेकिन अगर मैं उसके बारे में बोलूं, कहीं उसके फैंस मुझसे नाराज नहीं हो जाए. उसके फैंस होंगे लेकिन दे माइट बी लाइकिंग मी, तो मैं क्यों ये सब काम करूं. सो आई हैव ऑलवेज स्टेड अवे फ्रॉम एवरीथिंग. एंड फॉर एवरी पेरेंट आउट देयर, रिमेंबर वन थिंग कि बच्चे उतना ही करेंगे जितना आपने अपनी जिंदगी में किया है, और आपको देख के करेंगे. तो ये एक्सपेक्टेशंस मत रखना, क्योंकि आपके माँ बाप ने भी वही प्यार दिया होगा आपको, और उतना ही सब कुछ दिया होगा. तो वो भी जब बाप बनेंगे वो भी समझेंगे कि रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या होती है. लेट्स नॉट, दैट्स इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट्स ऑल. एंड आई ट्राई टू मिनिमाइज दैट जनरेशन गैप. बच्चों से बात करते रहता हूँ, बच्चों से समझते रहता हूँ, सीखते रहता हूँ, और that's the way it is.
I think आपने एक बहुत ही सुंदर बात बोली. आपने बोला कि आपने स्टार्टिंग में बोला कि अगर मेरे को कोई पूछता था इंटरव्यूज में कि मैं किसकी तरह बनना चाहता हूँ, तो आपने बोलते थे कि एक्टर्स तो बहुत सारे हैं, बट मैं चाहूंगा कि हाउ धर्मजी इज सो लव्ड by everyone because he's been such a benevolent, nice person. So I want to be like him, and I can tell you this as your audience that आप हमारे लिए वही हो सर. You are so loved, and this is maybe something that you might not have realized, but as an audience, I want to compliment you, saying that of course, you've always stayed away from the politics, and that is so amazing. It's difficult to be the way you are in an entertainment business, जहाँ पे gossip really fuels a lot of things. But sir, मैं आपका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा कि you've delivered some iconic characters, and you entertained us brilliantly so, and you continue to still inspire us. So compliments to you and more power to you. Speaking of failed projects, आपने बोला कि there were a couple of things that Fridays को if a critic said something wrong, आपको बुरा लगा, and हम as an audience समझ नहीं पाते कि maybe we see this person on screen and we see Mr. Sunil Shetty with his big shoulders and his biceps, but after all, at the end of the day, he is a human, and anything that he listens or hears about himself or his work does affect him. Tell us in retrospect, sir, अगर आप पिछले अपने कुछ साल खोज कर देखें तो आपको क्या लगता है, could you have done something differently? Because you said you have no regrets, which is also very good. बट क्या आप कुछ अलग कर सकते थे, क्योंकि आपने कहा कि आपके
course.
दोनों बच्चे सुपर प्रिपेयर्ड, could you have prepared well, or do you think everything is made you what you are today?
No, everything has made me, but somewhere down the line you said कि अंदर तो पता चलता है ना, when you see a contemporary still doing so well, still
जी,
inspiring you. If you see the top grossers this year also, it's all it's the Salmans, the Ajays, the
yes,
Akshars.
for sure, for
They're the
sure,
ones who are
for sure.
delivering. So you're inspired by them. They keep you inspired, but then you wonder, what did I do wrong? What there's something that I missed out. And then you realize, when I've analyzed what my failures have been, it's supporting new talent. Not because the talent was not good, but that new talent got producers that were not wealthy. They were first-time producers, didn't know how to
For
market a
sure,
film, didn't have the
for
money,
sure.
didn't have the finances. So the release of that films got hampered because wrong time. Because it's all about timing. It's all about
जी,
timing. Like I keep
जी,
telling Ahan, outstanding producer, outstanding film, outstanding director, outstanding music director he's got. All the boxes are ticked out as far as Ahan Shetty's
yes,
launch goes.
yes.
Brilliant film. But then, luck, and now his hard work to have that
To
burning in
prove
him.
himself again.
So,
I think पहला success
yes,
तो मिल सकता है, but second time, third time उसको maintain करना है.
absolutely. That
बिल्कुल, I
hunger,
think
which
बिल्कुल,
which जहाँ मैंने गलतियां की, क्योंकि तब
बिल्कुल.
लोग स्मार्ट बिजनेसमैन तो बोलते हैं सुनील शेट्टी को, इज एन अनबिलीवेबल बिजनेसमैन. Maybe 3 of my businesses have succeeded, 97 have failed. Nobody knows about that. क्योंकि लोगों को फेलियर याद ही नहीं रहता ना.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
नहीं याद रहता है.
नहीं
दैट
याद
इज द
रहता.
ब्यूटी. अगर आप
Yes.
फिल्मों में फेल हो तो लोग आपको याद रखते हैं. अच्छा, वही है ना, सुनील शेट्टी पिछले हफ्ते उसकी पिक्चर आई थी यार, बहुत खराब. मेरी गलती नहीं है. ऑफ कोर्स मैं उस फिल्म का हिस्सा था. मैंने उतनी मेहनत की जो हर फिल्म में मैं
Nobody
करता
wants to
हूँ.
fail. Nobody wants to
Yeah,
fail. I think
yeah,
it's also got to do
exactly.
with destiny. बिल्कुल.
Yeah, so then, but 97 of Sunil Shetty's businesses that have failed, and I'll count it for you. But nobody wants to talk about it.
Nobody wants to
Nobody
talk
wants to
about it.
talk
Yeah.
about it because
Yeah.
they just want to project the rosier side because it's an actor,
Yes.
it's the lifestyle.
Yes.
So
Yes.
failure
Yes. Yes.
is education, and trust
Yes.
me, failure is education. When you go through that, like they say, na, बाप बनोगे ना, तब समझोगे, और वो fact है. My mother always said, when you become,
I get it.
आज
Yeah.
Atiya is 26 years old, लेकिन अगर उसको उसकी सुबह कुछ देना है तो I would like to take a plate and go there and do it. And yet
How
that
sweet.
word
How nice.
baby, or yet her wanting to have, I love it when she comes and sits on my lap. So वो कभी जाएगा नहीं. Age doesn't
वो नहीं
matter.
जाता.
So that's what I keep telling parents, yeah, don't put
I
so
think
much pressure.
Yeah, I think that is beautiful, and I think आपने जिस तरीके से बताया that it was 97 times that you failed, and it's just the
Yeah.
3 times that people speak about it. People of course talk about the success story, like you said, rosier
Yeah.
चीजें लोगों को दिखाते हैं, but we do not know that Mr. Sunil Shetty is who he is because he has literally overcome every failure. Whether it was failure in a film on a Friday, whether it was failure in business aspect. But sir, मैं still आपको कहना चाहूंगा, and I think as somebody who's the host for today's live, it is my responsibility as also your very big admirer to tell you that, sir, of course, success. You look back and आप हमेशा मुझे लगता है you're so humble that makes you absolutely beautiful in another. मतलब वो तो I think everybody would say comments में भी कि you're so humble and you आप अपने बारे में कितनी honestly सब चीजें बताते हैं. But I think the fact कि आपने हम सबके दिलों में जगह बनाई है, उसके लिए nothing else matters. It's who you are as a person and as an actor, and this fact that we see you in interviews so honest about everything. I think that is your biggest success. So
Thank
yeah,
you.
I want you to remember that always, that there are people who
Thank you.
look up to you, who get inspired from you. You are absolutely amazing. So tell me, it's not that you've stopped working, but क्या difference लगता है in cinema now? Like you've said कि बच्चे भी अब he might not do 150 films. Your son Ahan, who's going to be launched very soon. But, tell us what is the difference now in the work ethic on the set, जो आपको लगता है कि भाई ये अच्छी चीज भी हो गया या ये चीज हम मिस आउट कर रहे हैं जो पहले बहुत ही अच्छी थी. So could you compare a little bit?
I think emotions, absolutely emotionless. Not that the kids don't have emotions, but the people around them, this whole corporate culture that is around them tells them
Yes.
ki, don't interact with this one. Your director, he's parse, and Zamana tha, he's not. that is something that I feel the emotion is missing. हम हर एक से मिलते थे, अच्छा बुरा समझाते थे कि भाई ये फिल्म नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि मैं फंसा हुआ हूँ, ये वो सबकी सुनते थे, क्योंकि मैं जज नहीं हूं ना। मैं कौन होता हूँ एक स्क्रिप्ट को जज करने? मुझे अच्छा लग सकता है, मुझे बुरा
बिल्कुल
लग सकता है, लेकिन कहीं जाके सुपर सक्सेसफुल हो रहा है, तो मैं
बिल्कुल
मास्टर तो नहीं हूं ना। अगर मास्टर होता तो 100 में से 100 मारता ना। मैं 100
बिल्कुल।
25% मेरी फिल्में सक्सेसफुल नहीं होती as compared to that. So that is missing. You know, each one is putting it on to others now to take a decision. There's so much talent in the industry, but they're not
Yes.
getting a chance. You know,
Yeah.
kids have decided मैं इसके साथ काम करूंगा, इसके साथ everybody is riding a successful horse, which is
It's a
fantastic.
clan. हर कोई अपना clan में घुस गया. It should be everywhere. Yeah.
Absolutely. तो यानी honest filmmakers, good scripts are not getting an opportunity to be out there. क्योंकि आपके पास है 6,000 थिएटर, 60,000 थिएटर होते तो 15 फिल्मों को मौका मिल जाता।
मिल जाता
फिल्में ही नहीं
बिल्कुल।
मौका। डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर, इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स आके डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कैप्चर कर चुके हैं, सिंगल डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स को खत्म कर दिए, तो सिंगल
बिल्कुल
प्रोड्यूसर्स तो टिके ही नहीं। सो दैट चेंज
बिल्कुल।
इज द चेंज दैट इज नॉट गुड, बट
Yeah.
द ब्यूटी ऑफ इट इज आज के बच्चे आप 9 बजे बोलो तो 9 बजे वहां पर है, इन कैरेक्टर है,
Yeah.
feeling the character,
Fully
looking the
prepared.
character, giving performances that are breathtaking. आज जब उनके साथ खड़े भी रहते हैं, उनकी फिल्में देखते हैं, तो लगता है यार एक्टिंग हम तो टिके यार, मजा आ गया, एटलीस्ट वी सर्वाइव दिस, वी वेंट थ्रू
बिल्कुल
दिस, लुक एट द काइंड ऑफ प्रोफेशनलिज्म.
बिल्कुल।
It's insane when you see a Ranveer or a Tiger do his action. You're like, holy shit, is this real? So
Absolutely
that's
sir.
the passion there. It's the managerial the managers around them, ना चाय से
Yeah,
किटली गरम.
it's the entourage जो उनके आसपास रहते हैं। बिल्कुल
या
बिल्कुल
जो
बिल्कुल।
जो जो मैं
इस
मैं
पूरे
बोलूंगा
सिस्टम को इस
अच्छा ही
सिस्टम को
नहीं है,
इमोशन से कम कर देते हैं, मतलब वो कॉर्पोरेट
नहीं, और
कल्चर आ
नॉलेज
जाता
भी नहीं है, they have no freaking knowledge.
है। या
They're shit banks when it comes to talent and understanding scripts and stuff like that. I'm sorry, I'm being very, very harsh, but that is what is spoiling this industry. Professionalism
जी
होना बहुत जरूरी है। एक मैनेजर हो, ठीक है, आपके साथ 19 जन साथ चल रहे, तो और आप 19 लोगों का सुन भी रहे, because
बिल्कुल।
they matter to you. You know,
Yes.
माँ, बहन, बीवी, बच्चों के अलावा, my makeup man, my boy, my driver matter to me a hell of a lot, क्योंकि
Yes.
दिन भर उनकी सुनता हूँ। और
बिल्कुल
इन्फ्लुएंस इंसान हूं ना, तो
हो जाता हो
इन्फ्लुएंस
जाता
तो होऊंगा ही ना. So
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
that's what I don't like about this industry today.
सर टेल मी, आई थिंक मैंने अमिताभ बच्चन सर जी की एक इंटरव्यू में सुना था, ही सेड दैट यू नो व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड वर्किंग देयर वाज नो सोशल मीडिया। अब इस तरीके से हम इंस्टाग्राम पर लाइव बात कर सकते हैं, उस टाइम पर क्योंकि इतना सोशल मीडिया भी नहीं था, तो कुछ गिनी चुनी मैगजीन्स के लिए इंटरव्यूज होती थी. नाउ व्हेन पीपल कम इनटू द इंडस्ट्री, पीपल बिफोर गेटिंग लॉन्च, they're so good at giving interviews, they're so good at their social media presence, क्योंकि ये सारी ट्रेनिंग उनको मिल जाती है. So how do you take social media? मेरा तो पहले ये क्वेश्चन है कि आप किस तरीके से, do you take it like a fun thing, और आप यहाँ इसको भी आप एज अ प्रोजेक्ट लेते हो? एंड दूसरा, the most important question, when will we get to see हेरा फेरी 3? because people are dying. लोग literally, लोगों ने ना DMs के अंदर ना बौछार कर दिया, ask him, ये क्वेश्चन पूछे बिना इंटरव्यू खत्म मत करना, when is हेरा फेरी 3? So
सोच रहे थे, we've been trying, and you know, things are falling into place. I wouldn't say कब क्या because I won't know, but the attempt is there. We were all thinking end of this year, but अब ये आ गया. And what is very very important, what is very very important is हर एक को ये सोचना जरूरी है कि किसकी फिल्म अंडर प्रोडक्शन है, किसकी डेटे एक्टर्स को देने की जरूरत है, ताकि वो फिल्म में खत्म हो, नहीं तो ये ब्लडबाद होगा. We all know when we are coming out of this, I don't know how many people are going to survive, you know, because economically also it hits.
it is a heavy.
It's going to be very 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 heavy. But I guess all of us are in it, so we'll hold hands and sail through this. Fortunately, we are India, and
Yes.
if the world is going to world has seen what China has delivered, and you know, if there's any other country in the world that the world can depend on because of its resources, because of its strength, because of its financial, I mean, you know, because of the brain that we have, and culture and everything else, it's India. Whether it's
somebody wrote something beautiful.
production.
Yes. Somebody wrote something beautiful. He said, हम होंगे कामयाब, या इंडिया ने तो ये अपना मोटो हमेशा से ही है, तो हम तो होंगे कामयाब, which is what you also said, which is also
और हम खुश हैं,
beautiful.
हम खुश हैं. We take everything, we take a shot. National anthem चलता तो खड़े हो जाते हैं. Politics can divide us, but calamities and it always unites us. And this is not just a calamity; it's a pandemic, and I think India will come back very strongly. People who are into production and into other things are thinking. I'm not talking about film production. I'm talking about utility stuff. Saying now we'll stand up and we'll deliver. And the world needs India. We are a democratic country. We are an educated country. We have a heart. So I think India is up for big things. So whatever we go through, I'm sure we'll come through with flying colors. Yeah.
Amazing, sir. आप मुझे ये भी बताइए, क्योंकि because this is a lockdown situation पूरी country में, there is health crisis for sure. People, like I have mentioned it in a couple of previous lives also, कि obviously we understand कि लोग जो essential services में है, जैसे कि policemen या people at the grocery store, जैसे कि basic दूध राशन लोगों को provide करने के लिए, still putting themselves in so much danger. But अगर हम उस चीज को थोड़ा सा हटा के एक पॉजिटिव लाइट में इस लॉकडाउन को सोचें, तो आप बताइए कि घर पर रहकर गेटिंग द टाइम टू स्पेंड विद योर फैमिली, विद योर चिल्ड्रन, आपकी लाइफ में कोई एक ऐसी पॉजिटिव चीज भी तो हुई होगी ना इस क्वारंटीन के, इस लॉकडाउन के दौरान, तो वो क्या है?
देखिए, मैं स्टाफ को, मेरी टीम को और स्टाफ को हमेशा रिस्पेक्ट करता था, लेकिन अब आई थिंक 4 गुना हो चुका है. आई थिंक देयर इज अ हेल ऑफ अ लॉट ऑफ डिस्पैरिटी. देयर इज अ हेल ऑफ अ लॉट ऑफ डिस्पैरिटी. अमीरों की बीमारी हम गरीबों को हमने गरीबों को दी, और हम कहते हैं कि गरीब, इनको समझ में नहीं आता यार, सब भाग रहे, घर भाग रहे एक साथ. उनके पास कोई जगह है ही नहीं, लेकिन फिर भी खड़े रह के आपके लिए काम कर रहे हैं. हमारी पुलिस करप्ट है, हमारी बीएमसी खराब है. अरे मुंबई में कितना कचरा जो फेंकता है, अगर आप छोड़ दो एक दिन के लिए भी आप चल नहीं पाओगे. लेकिन आपको पता भी नहीं चलता है कि ये बच्चे सुबह उठ के क्लीन करके आपको आपकी सिटी देते हैं. कंप्लेन करने की आदत है. आई थिंक ये कंप्लेन करने की आदत मेरी निकल जाएगी. रिस्पेक्ट में जो दूंगा, आई थिंक जो रिस्पेक्ट मैं अपने फैमिली को दूंगा, आई विल गिव एवरी चाइल्ड दैट who's working for us and that has served us. There are 23 boys. जब ये प्रॉब्लम हुआ तो बिल्डिंग का सारा स्टाफ को वापस जाना था, और वो चले गए. एक बच्चा था जिसके पास जाने की कोई जगह नहीं थी, तो he stayed back. We had 24 daily wage workers who were staying with us because बिल्डिंग में काम चल रहा था. तो हम लोगों ने उनको न जाते हुए उनको कहा कि डोंट वरी अबाउट इट, क्योंकि ये प्रॉब्लम है, आप लोग रह जाओ बिल्डिंग में. आज ये 23 बच्चे और ये एक लड़का who was a cleaner boy, आज 24 बच्चे बिल्डिंग को चला रहे हैं. सोसाइटी ऑफ 120 members, flats, which is 4 in each. You're talking about 500 people.
4 in each, at least. Yes.
At least. You're talking about 23 boys running the entire building. Managers भी वही है, cleaners भी वही है, पानी भी छोड़ते हैं, सिस्टम भी उन्होंने लगाया हुआ है. आज अगर तिवारी है तो तिवारी जी हो चुके हैं, क्योंकि सबको उनकी जरूरत है.
Amazing. Yes.
हाँ, तो I think what I take away from here, and the positive from here, is I feel the disparity will reduce. The gap between the rich and the poor have to reduce, because we've all realized it. I've always been very conscious, but now when I look at it, I feel shit. I've done nothing. I mean, just giving them salary and jobs is not what I need. There is a minimum salary scale that should be freaking set by the government, saying that they deserve this. They do not
exploitation
deserve 10 and 12 and 15,000 rupees. No, they deserve a lot more, and that should be the biggest fine. That should be the biggest crime. That should be something that if you are not, forget. Yes, you're getting kids who are underage to work. You should get people
child labor. Yes.
If the salary is not up to the mark, is when the owner should be arrested, and the right to bloody put this out. So I think this disparity is something that I've noticed, and I've become too conscious about that, and feel that guilt every single day, that shit.
It is something like you feel like कि disparity तो है ही है, but उसी के अलावा I feel like कि मतलब जैसे कि आपने बोला कि नाउ अब तिवारी जी हो गए, एक सेंस ऑफ ग्रेटफुलनेस एंड रिस्पेक्ट भी बढ़ गया सभी के लिए. सभी के लिए.
It's amazing what I always thought I was very fair, But I've realized that no, I'm not. It was only me convincing myself that, oh, I'm giving jobs and
Yes.
giving them a salary, and every
Yes.
month on the seventh, I thought I was great because I said on the seventh my salary reaches, not one day late. No, yeah,
Much more than salary. Yes. Yes.
yeah, they
Yes.
need much, much more, much,
So,
much more.
so ये भी बताइए, your recent film Darbar, and working with Rajnikant ji. Just tell us your experience and tell us कि क्या सच में कुछ difference है हिंदी सिनेमा और साउथ सिनेमा में काम करने में?
Yes, discipline, definite discipline. ग्रुपिज्म नहीं है वहां पर. इंडिविजुअल्स खड़े हैं और कलेक्टिवली वो लोग डिलीवर करते हैं. एज फार एज रजनी सर गोज, आप रजनी सर को सेट में आते हुए देखोगे तो आपको लगेगा ये मॉन्क कौन है, he's in a zen space, very content, very happy, not aware of all that is happening around him. I mean, he walks into a set and even the leaves and the trees start, I feel, whispering and talking
Positivity,
to each other.
yes. Yes.
Yeah. And then when he gets onto that uniform and then he starts, the energy level that goes, it's like a monk, and then suddenly a superhero has come in and is delivering. Humble,
Amazing.
very, very loving, very caring, and brilliant. I think it was an experience for me, a learning again.
Yes.
Christ, I always thought I'm very humble and I'm very. No. Yeah, there are a lot more people who are far more honest than you are, humble than you are, down to earth than you are. At the same time, 100 times in a better position than you are. So when you compare, it becomes probably 1,000 times.
It must have been an immersive experience. Sure.
Yeah, absolutely.
So coming back to Ahaan and Athia, you're both your children. When can we, do you plan on doing something together? क्योंकि मुझे लगता है that is something the entire audience is waiting. कि एक दिन तो परिवार के 2 लोग या 3 लोग इकट्ठे.
Of course, if the opportunity comes, we definitely will. But what's very important is I, as a father, need to understand that it's Athiya's time and Ahaan's time, and not something that I need to latch on to. Let them start their journey. Let them begin their journey. If it is going to help them, then it's fine. Okay, it can't be done without that. But as far as possible, if I can avoid it, because it's their journey, I don't want to latch on to anybody to be able.
There has to be a purpose.
Yeah. It is never, as a father, I'm too conscious. I think a hell of a lot. Even if it's a post, then
you have to make.
Am I using Athiya? Am I using Ahaan? That thought should never come. And if that thought comes, then I leave it. So I'm too conscious about all these things. And
so also, even in your family, do you have conversations like these? Do you tell your kids so honestly about what you're feeling? And is there healthy discussion जो घर पे भी ऐसे होती रहती, especially during quarantine? मतलब I'm sure कि आप तो जरूर ये healthy discussion जरूर घर का एक part होती रहती हो.
Absolutely. See, Ahaan for me is a monk. He is a very calm, non-expressive, but very emotional boy. He doesn't discuss too much. He doesn't talk too much. He'll talk about, and he's extremely honest. I mean, it is to another level, his honesty. Athiya is someone who discusses because she's seen a lot.
Yes.
She's seen failure. Her last film, Motichur Chaknachur, she gave her heart out for the film. The film is being appreciated today, but
it was lovely. Lovely.
Yeah. Yes. But all the problems that happened with it, she was heartbroken. She said, Papa, I took such a big break, wanting to do meaningful stuff. It's not that my beyond and end all dream is not only acting, but it's about doing good work. So she discusses a hell of a lot. She cries on my shoulder. There's an amazing relationship that we all share. She shares with her mother, me. Ahaan is the very calm. Ahaan is our Zen boy. It's very clear how much he wants
keep it to
himself. Do.
Yeah.
He's a wanderer. He likes outdoors. He's an adventure sports guy. He loves the ocean. So he's the kind who you'll see once in a year in a movie, and then split off for some time for a break, come back rejuvenated, take on something else. He watches a hell of a lot. He knows a hell of a lot. Very clear what he wants to do. Doesn't want to do anything that is senseless. But at the same time is aware that India is about mass. So he needs to touch those boys. You know, so he needs to touch that boys. And that he's seen with his dad also, you know.
Yes. Somebody in the comments also said कि अगर दोनों बच्चे आप पर गए हैं तो हमें तो पसंद होंगे ही. Somebody just comment. So which is also amazing, which I'm sure ऐसा ही होगा. But Sunil ji, मैं आपसे कुछ instant questions पूछूंगा. We're going to wrap this conversation up. And let's see कि आप क्या इनके answers देते हैं. I have it on my laptop. So I'm going to ask you some instant questions and hopefully they are quick. Okay. One person you have loved working with the most?
Mr. Bachchan.
Okay. One person you haven't worked with, but you would love for the opportunity to work with?
Salman.
Okay. Which actor from
I've
current...
worked with him in a
different
big role, but but then, you know, spending time with him, it's amazing. Golden-hearted and absolute delight to be with.
Salman sir is definitely, I'd like to mention, I recently had the pleasure of meeting him at IFA Awards. उनकी छोटी सी एक bite लेने के लिए I was at the carpet and he's so respectful to everyone. But he's a big star, but he's again very amazing. And okay, next question. Which actor from the current generation you would like to work with?
Taigi?
Amazing. Okay, one film you regret letting go, जो आपने कहा कि मैं नहीं करूँगा, but it ended up being nice. Which is that one film?
I wouldn't want to take the name because it's
okay.
Unfair,
let's not take it.
Because somebody who's done that film and it's been super successful. I mean, ये बोलना गलत ही है कि अगर मेरी पिक्चर थी वो उसके पास गई. डेस्टिनी में लिखा है जिसको जो डिजर्व करे. बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं and I don't like it.
But have there been any films जो कि आपने
बहुत सारे, and especially after मैं हूं ना, you know, क्योंकि हर second negative role मुझे आता था कि यार करो. But मैं negative, not that I don't want to do negative, but till the time it doesn't have something special about it, there's no point of doing it because you run out of steam. After a few years, you're done with. 2-3 years after that, character roles भी नहीं मिलते. So to hold back is very important, and to maintain that dignity is very important also.
In fact, sir, आपने मैं हूं ना की बात की. I feel like you are very right because even though it was a negative role, but इस पूरे character की बहुत आग थी. मतलब उसका उन्होंने past भी दिखाया. Why he is the way he is. Why did he become such a negative character, which I feel was such a delicious role to even see on screen. So that is amazing.
Because and he was a patriotic Indian.
Yes, for sure.
He was
100%.
a patriotic Indian. He was a soldier who lost his child on the other side of the border, and his son's body wasn't given to him. Then to hell with the world, Indians, we are that way. Emotion हमारे माँ बाप बच्चे दोस्तों के साथ ऐसा है कि हाँ कि जान दे दे और वो fact ही है.
Which I loved. I absolutely loved you in the film. अभी भी हम जब देखते हैं, I think हमारे बॉलीवुड फिल्म्स के विलन्स के जब नामों की लिस्ट बनी, आई थिंक योर कैरेक्टर मैं हूं ना विल डेफिनेटली बी इन दैट लिस्ट. ऑन द नोट ऑफ बॉर्डर, देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन. हेरा फेरी, धड़कन या बॉर्डर, इफ यू कुड रिमूव वन फिल्म. आई नो ये तीनों बहुत आपके लिए स्पेशल है, अगर आप नहीं भी आंसर देना चाहो मत दो, बट स्टिल अगर आप इन तीनों में से दो को प्रेफर करो तो वो दो कौन सी प्रेफर करोगे? हेरा फेरी, धड़कन या मैं हूं ना ऑन बॉर्डर? लेट्स इंक्लूड 4 of them.
See, this is very difficult the question, you know, क्योंकि हर genre की फिल्म है वो. But अगर आप बोलोगे तो मैं कहूँगा बॉर्डर को मैं I will keep in the list, और हेरा फेरी I'll keep in the list. If you ask me why, border purely because it's a real hero.
It is amazing.
Justice कभी भी justice नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन जब डेथ सीन कर रहा था तो I actually thought I was at war. It was my love for my country that was shown, and I'm a freaking proud Indian to an extent that I'll do anything and anything anywhere in front of any amount of people if it comes to my country.
Your country.
Absolutely. And I've behaved crazy even outside of the country. I know the incidences. So, you know, pure Indian. So everybody should be a part of see, it's like Vicky. Uri. That's the film he's going to carry for the rest of his life. The outstanding performer. But that's what's going to keep you there through that. 100 years after my death also, 26 January, August 15 को ये picture आएगी. या आप
बिल्कुल
पेट्रियोटिज्म की बात करोगे या इंडिया को जोड़ने की बात
वो
करोगे
आएगी
वो
आएगी
फिल्म आएगी.
यस
या
डेफिनेटली
एंड हेरा फेरी, क्योंकि वो लोगों
इट इज
को पसंद
आइकॉनिक
है.
इट इज आल्सो
या
आइकॉनिक यस
आज
यस
भी it keeps families bound. If you see memes that are happening, it's
यस
all about Hera Fairy.
यस
20 years now. 20 years now, and every day on my timeline, even now, sir, Corona.
it is a big
Do
thing
this now. Yeah,
yes
yeah. So that's why not the taking. I mean, for me, Dharkan also means a lot because just saying Anjali gets the crowd on fire. So to all those jilted lovers out there. But because this has got to do with in today's time, it's a
yes
border and it's a hera fairy that keeps us connected. Yeah, whether it's love
to
and
yes
laughter.
yes to everyone watching this live right now मैं चाहता हूँ इस लाइव खत्म होने के बाद everybody should go and watch all of these movies and come back on Sunil ji's Instagram and mention in the comments how much you've loved it. हेरा फेरी देखो जाकर बॉर्डर देखो सारी मूवीज देखो बट सुनील जी बिफोर वी रैप दिस अप वेरी क्विकली मैं हर हमेशा अपने गेस्ट से ये एक सवाल तो जरूर पूछता हूँ और मैं चाहूंगा कि आप इसका भी जरूर आंसर दीजिए टू लीव दिस लाइव चैट ऑन अ वेरी पॉजिटिव नोट इफ हम जिंदगी के हमारे हमारे जहन में कोई ना कोई एक ऐसी बात रह जाती है जो हमें अपने बुरे वक्त में खुशी दे देती है जैसे कि आप कह रहे हो कि कुछ चीजें जैसे हेरा फेरी एक ऐसी मूवी है इट बाइंड्स द फैमिली टुगेदर बिकॉज वी ऑल वॉच इट टुगेदर
Absolutely.
कोई ऐसा थॉट या कोई ऐसा कोट जो आप जाने से पहले हम सबके साथ शेयर करना चाहते हो जिसने आपको एक्चुअली में बुरे वक्त में आपको काफी इंस्पायर और मोटिवेट किया
छोटी सी लाइन है that I've always believed in, क्योंकि मैं अपने एनजीओ से सेव द चिल्ड्रन से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ पिछले 30-32 साल से. एंड द ओनली थिंग दैट आई कैन से इज फ्रॉम व्हाट वी गेट वी मेक अ लिविंग, बट फ्रॉम व्हाट वी गिव वी मेक अ लाइफ. गिव
Wonderful.
and forget, accept and never ever forget. So even if we are feeding that one person, you see the change it brings about in you. आज एक आदमी को, लेबरर को आप जाके 1 महीने का राशन दे दो या आज का खाना दे दो and see how you will change as a person when you walk back.
Absolutely.
I'm telling you, there's nothing bigger than giving, and this is one line that I've always believed in, and I
Wonderful.
follow to whatever limit and extent I can, but I involve at grassroots level, not just
I think Sunil ji, this is one of the 1,000th reason we love you so much because you stand for these values. आपके it's not your work, not just your work, not just your films, not just all the things that we've talked about, but it is also your brain that makes us fall in love with you. Your values जिनके लिए आप हमेशा खड़े रहे हो उसके लिए again बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया for joining today's live on Instant Bollywood. I cannot thank you enough क्योंकि you could be doing 10 more things, but आपने फिर भी अपना वक्त कुछ हमारे लिए निकाला उसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. And to everyone watching, it's a reminder, go and watch all of the movies and come back on Sunil sir's Instagram and show him all the love because he absolutely deserves it. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया sir once again. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much. Bye bye sir. Thank you.